Okay guys, so we got all the bearings changed out to stainless steel on this rig. So the next thing we're going to need to do is figure out how to mount this plate. Now, me being who I am and having some experience in this, I know exactly how I'm going to mount it. I'm going to use this cross pillar. I'm going to make a piece that comes out, goes up, and then goes right through this hole where this whole thing sits right centered. Now, if you guys have designed stuff to use commercial items, and you know the biggest issue for that is that you have to match their drawings, because companies don't want to share this information. If I call Traxxas and say, hey, can I get a solid file for this, they're going to just laugh me out of the thing, because I mean, it's intellectual property, it's worth a lot of money to them. But once I have this correct, where I can make that mounting point, the rest of it, easy. Here we see our first sample piece, and that's gonna, as soon as we get that done, we'll see how it clamps, and if it clamps correct, then after that I can start making all the other components and have this thing knocked out pretty quick. Now, as far as the battery goes, I've already designed the battery mounts for this. Did that a while back, and you can see that on the version 8 right here that actually ran off of one of those M18 batteries. So that should be pretty quick. One of the other things I'm doing, just because I didn't have the stainless steel screw kit, is I'm plasti dipping the screws that are going to be the most worn. They're going to get the most possible salt water on them, maybe rust out. So I use plasti dip, at least 2 coats, maybe 3, to protect those screw heads. And then if I ever need to adjust them, I can just take it here and peel that out, and I've got adjustment. So, it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. One more thing is that normally X-Maxes have a wheelie bar on the back. Don't need that. We're not going to be doing any wheelies. We're going to tune this thing down to do about 5, maybe 10 miles an hour at most, and so you can get it all hooked up.